Lord, what a blessing it is to call Jamaica home. Though we little with Talawa, and nobody can tell we say we no leave a mark on the world. From we food to we music, the athletes to the culture. Jamaica continue to show the world what greatness look like. We ancestors fought through hardship, so today we can stand proudly as a free nation. Because I feed them courage and sacrifice, we can celebrate the black, green and gold with pride. Remember now, no matter where life carry us, in Jamaica or a foreign, Jamaica live in our heart. We spirit strong, we people resilient, and we love for we country never fade. My mother always say, no matter where you're there, remember where you come from. Let us continue now to uplift one another and our heritage and build a brighter future for the generations to come. From Mama Selva to every Jamaican across the globe, me wish you a joyful, safe, and blessed Independence Day. Walk good, stay proud, and wave the black, green, and gold high, high, high. Happy 64th Independence, Jamaica. One love.